Okay, Emily, the first thing I'm going to teach you to do is to make a slip knot, which is the first thing that you pretty much do in order to cast on. So baby steps, slip knot first. So I'm going to be using a circular needle. This is bigger than the one that you have that I told you to get. This is probably like a US 12 or something like that, but whatever, just so that you can see I'm using this, but we'll get to that later when we're actually casting on. For now, you can just practice slip knots. It's really easy. What you're going to do is you're going to take the tail end of your yarn and you're going to hang it to the front of two of your fingers on your left hand. So here's the tail end, it's hanging in the front, and this is the end that's attached to the ball, and it is in the back. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the end that's attached to the ball and you're going to bring it around the front of your fingers and hang it off the back. So now you have two little strings in the front, and then this is hanging off the back. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the part that's attached to the ball, the working end, and you're going to push it through. Can you see that? You're pushing it behind and through the loop that's in the back of your hand. And then you're just going to slip it off your fingers and pull tight. So that's a slip knot. The reason why it's a slip knot is it's pretty strong. You can, loop it around your needle or whatever, but once you pull it done, there's no knot. So it's really important later on when you're, finishing your work that you don't have a knot. That's something that you can easily unwind. So again, you're going to leave the tail end of the yarn in front, and you're going to wrap once around your hand, and then you're going to take the working end and push it through so you have a little loop. Doesn't matter how big it is because you can tighten it later. And then you're just going to slip everything off your fingers and tighten, and there's your slip knot.